Oh, this is pretty cool. Look at this.
So what do you take? What do you absolutely not want to lose if when you walk out the door, you're going to lose everything else by fire or by theft? Someone's going to come in and steal it. What do you take? What do you leave? And I picked my radio. Maria, I'm sure, was thinking documents, marriage license, stuff like that. I got my radio. KJ601.
I know it's. Notice it's starting to. Oh, this is for Elegoo.
Yeah, we had to evacuate twice here.
I don't know if I have any of these. So this for a Neptune 3, which I don't think mine uses. Those are kind of interesting. This is kind of cool. I should print one if I just had unlimited filament to waste. It would take a long time to print, I think. I'd have to be bored. Here's another cool thing. 18650 holders. I don't think I have a reason to build a pack though. But I think that's what they mean by motorboating.
I know exactly why he's not on the HS anymore, and I don't blame him whatsoever.
Oh,
John,
it's your top alias come up, but you have no audio.
Curious, I do not know when you say what happened. I don't know what it was, but I hope that he's okay. Generally, but I did have contact with him.
There's a lot of really cool stuff on here, but these things can take hours to print. Like this soldering organizer. They're going to be a lot bigger than what you really think they're going to be.
Okay, that should be good for a while. Anyway, so I was trying to send it back.
And that's kind of cool. SD card storage box. I actually could use that for the printer stuff. Look at that. CNC drum plotter. Wow.
Maybe 50 or 60 bucks Canadian.
He was mourning the loss, sudden loss of his at the weekend of the attack.
Cool. There's another cool holder. Oh, that's cool. Look at this. I'd love to build something like that. You see this guy's got like a whole bunch of them. Wow. A lot of the things people print on here like this, they're gonna break. You cannot. I don't care what they're made out of. They're gonna break. It's the process of FDM, or whatever we want to call it. The way the layers are, depending on how the layers are, they're strong one way, not another. Depends on the type of filament, but a lot of this crap's gonna break. A glider plane. Some crazy weird stuff on here. I don't know what this is. Alright, this is a little ridiculous. This must just be 3D modeled. A low profile solar tracker mechanism. Pretty cool though. I wonder what the hell it's made out of.
Thank you so much. And I also wish you a very good day. With John, here in DC.
It's amazing what we can make when we have no limitations and resources are not a problem. You know? It really is. When time and resources are not a problem, we can achieve pretty amazing things. So I think maybe I'll download this. They want a holder for their tablet. I'll modify it, stretch it out, and redo it. There's ones that fold. I don't really care for that. Oh, look at that. Microphone adapter. Microscope adapter.
I was thinking maybe we work some FT8 or something. Did you do FT8?
Wow. Pretty wild. You could come up with some pretty interesting pictures. Like this here. Cool idea. Don't put too much pressure on it. Pi 5 case.